Okay, let's meet Kyle. He's a senior, secondary education and Spanish major who benefited from getting into the classroom from his first year. Whether you're making discoveries in the marine biology labs, investing real money in the trading room, or building houses in the construction labs, RWU puts students at the forefront to gain experience for your career. Okay, you're up, Kyle.
Hi friends, how's it going? From a young age, I always knew I wanted to be a teacher, so finding the right school that would challenge me academically and prepare me to support the next generation was key. I looked at a wide variety of schools, but Rhode Island University would be the place that would provide me endless opportunities for growth and allow my passions to flourish. The education program here at Roger is exceptionally unique as it brings students into the classroom starting their freshman year to begin the development of their educational career. By bringing me into the classroom so early on, it has certainly prepared me for my upcoming practicum and student teaching, where I'll be fully in charge of my own classroom. In the classroom, I've become more aware of how to better engage students, as well as the essentialness of the materials we have discussed throughout my 4 years. From inclusive learning styles to specialized reading and writing tactics, I've learned how to better engage my students in the classroom. The education department here at Roger is such a tight-knit community that I always feel I have the support to receive guidance and ask questions, making me feel even more confident going into student teaching. Roger's hands-on experience is instrumental to the success of teacher candidates in the program itself. While we can learn all about these teaching styles and theories, we will not truly understand the concepts if we do not apply ourselves in the classroom. I even studied abroad in Seville, Spain, where I was able to teach English to high school students. It was a great opportunity as I was able to take the skills that I've learned from my education classes and expand my education pedagogy. Roger Williams University has truly prepared me to be a successful teacher. By bringing me into the classroom so early on, I am confident that I have the tools and the support to create an inclusive classroom for all of my future students that also promotes learning. That's a little bit about me and why I love Roger. Alex, back to you.
Great job, Kyle. Thanks for sharing your experience with us. Wish I could go study in Spain. Roger's commitment to engaged learning hasn't gone unnoticed. The university has a Carnegie Community Engagement Classification, a recognition for leaders in community engaged work and civic scholarship.